outside the door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the town is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi is waiting, is blowing his horn. I'm ready, I'm so lonesome I could die.